Yeah, Mitch, I think we have to talk about the cosmos. Let's talk about the first messenger from the past and why it was very interesting for most of the people to talk about that asteroid. Can you can you talk about a little bit about um, this asteroid Uamu and why is in this shape, which is totally uh, fascinating and mind blowing. Yeah.
So in around 2017, scientists they discovered something very unique and very special. And when you look here, you see a shape of an asteroid that scientists named Oumuamua. Oumuamua is it means messenger from the past. That is what the scientists named this asteroid. What is special about this asteroid is that, firstly, its shape was very unique. Because when we are talking about interstellar objects or objects in the universe, they are usually in a spherical shape. But when Oumuamua was discovered, they realized that it wasn't in a spherical shape, which caught the attention of the scientists. So, other thing that caught the attention of the scientists about this asteroid is the way in which it entered our solar system. Remember, most of the asteroids that scientists discover and study are in our universe. In our solar system. But
Yeah.
Oumuamua was an intruder. It came from interstellar. It invaded our solar system. When it invaded our solar system, what it actually did is that it did not abide by Albert Einstein's theory of relativity, whereby planets and all these other objects in our solar system um, go around the sun in a circle. So when Oumuamua entered our solar system, it entered our solar system from a different angle, from above. And then as it entered our solar system, something very unique happened. It changed its speed. It happened to accelerate. And when it accelerated, when the scientists were trying to discover what it is, and what they wanted to realize about this particular object is that it did not have what comets produce, which is known as a coma. A coma, we are talking about the atmosphere of a comet. A comet is an icy object. So what happens is, as the comet approaches the sun, it tends to burn out, or it starts to melt, which produces a tail
Tell,
of
yeah.
gas. So Oumuamua did not produce that tail of gas. A tail of gas is what accelerates comets sometimes, but Oumuamua did not produce that. So it wasn't a comet. So that is why scientists were fascinated about this object, which was able to accelerate, but it did not produce anything to help accelerate it. So this is what was very important and what was very unique about Oumuamua. Also the size, it was very big. It was the same as a football field. But the good thing is that it did not impact anything in our solar system, although it did come very close to Earth. And after some time, it did manage to move away. Some scientists thought that Oumuamua might have been a spaceship used by aliens, because of the way that it entered our solar system, the way that it was, its shape. They thought that it might have been sent by
Aliens.
outer terrestrial people to try and investigate our solar system. But that was also a theory, although some scientists also thought maybe it could have been just something just to teach us that there is more to the universe than we really know.
Okay, Mitch, do you think Elon Musk is going to send people to Mars?
According to my research, it's not easy. There are very, very different things that